Hi everyone, welcome to DMR Tutorials. In this capsule, we will discuss about the linear equations in two variables, introduction part. So first of all, let us see what are linear equations in two variables. And as you know that constant and variable, constant always gives a fixed value. The value of the variable changes from one value to other value, it is not fixed. Now connecting the variables and constant, we can frame the linear equation. So let us see the example for linear equation, the general form of linear equation. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of a linear equation in two variables. Here a, b and c are constants, x and y are variables. The power of x is 1, the power of y is also 1. So the degree of the equation is 1. So the equation containing two variables with one degree basically is called a linear equation in two variables. Next, what do you mean by solving of the linear equation? That means for what values of x and y the equation is consistent. Those values of x and y are called solutions of the linear equation. For example, two x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. It is a linear equation. Now, for what values of x and y the equation is consistent? Let us see. Suppose if you have taken x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, substitute the values in the equation. So, if you substituted x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, the equation is consistent, means finally you got again 0. In this situation, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 is called solution of the linear equation. So to get, it is a hit and trial method I have taken, but to have exact solutions for a linear equation, that means to solve the linear equation, actually we have two variables here, x and y. To solve the equation with two variables, we need to take minimum two independent linear equations, and using the two linear independent equations we can have their simultaneous solutions. For example, they have given two equations, 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0 and x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. And the thing is, we have to solve the two equations such that the solution x value, y value should satisfy the two equations simultaneously. Now how to do that? For that there are different methods. The first in the list is elimination by substitution. the first method is elimination by substitution. How to solve these two equations simultaneously using the method elimination by substitution? Let us see now. The first equation is and the second is x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. By taking any one of the two equations, get the value of one variable in terms of other variable. For example, take the second equation, get the value of y in terms of x. So this is from the second equation, x is equal to minus 2 taken to other side becomes plus 2, plus y taken to other side becomes minus y. So x is equal to 2 minus 5. That means we got the value of one variable x in terms of second variable y. Now eliminate the value of x in the first equation by this substitution. So we have to eliminate the value of x. In the place of x we have to take 2 minus y. So in the first equation where there is x, there let us take 2 minus y. Substitute x is equal to 2 minus 5 in 1. Of course this is the first equation, this is the second equation. Substitute x is equal to 2 minus y in the first equation. Then 2 into x means 2 minus y plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. 2 2s are 4. 2 into minus y is minus 2y plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. 3y minus 2y is y. 4 minus 5 is minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies y is equal to 1. When minus 1 taken to other side becomes plus 1. So y is equal to 1. So this is one value. Now substitute y is equal to 1 in this relation x is equal to 2 minus y. Substitute y is equal to 1 in x is equal to 2 minus y. Then you will get x is equal to 2 minus y means 1. That is x is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is the way to solve the equations simultaneously. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 is the solution for equation 1 as well as equation 2. If you have taken 1 1 here, 2 into 1 is 2 plus 3 into 1 is 3, 2 plus 3 5, 5 minus 5 is 0. 1 plus 1 minus 2 is 2 minus 2 is 0. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 satisfies the equation 1 as well as equation 2. This is the method 1 to solve the two equations simultaneously.